All right, hey, how's it going, guys? So today we're going to be diving into a crucial aspect of digital marketing for HVAC businesses, and we're going to be talking about email lists, and we're going to break it down. Whether you're a seasoned pro or you're just getting started, we'll provide you with valuable insight on building and maintaining an email list so that you can get the most bang for your buck. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about your email list. So the list is the leads or the people that you're actually going to be sending your emails to. And this is where the basic foundation is. So a high quality engaged list can significantly boost your results. And here's how you build and maintain a list. First thing that you do is you offer valuable content to entice these customers. You need to give them something valuable for them to give them your information, your email, your phone number, anything. You want to make sure that you're providing much more value up front than you think you should. And it could be an ebook, a discount on your services, free estimate or consultation, or access to exclusive content, bonus code, referral code. Make sure the offer actually aligns with your audience and the homeowners that you're actually trying to target. Next is where you actually place these sign-up forms where you want them to include their information. So you want to make sure that you're placing them very strategically, such as places with high traffic areas in your website, such as the home page, blog posts, some buttons that people are very likely to press. You want to make sure that you're using pop-ups to capture attention and ask them to fill out the form there. It's also very important for the forms to be mobile friendly, since most people are accessing the internet through their mobile phone these days. Also, to build a great lead form, you want to make sure that you are hosting webinars and Q&A live calls and things like that that are a bit more interactive. And this is also a way they can get a lot of leads. And these leads are actually going to be your warmer leads because they have already shown interest in your services. Next is by offering incentives for referrals. You can target customers that you've already served, and you can give them a referral, and you can give them a gift card or discount on their next service, things like that, to make sure that you are getting more leads and more email addresses for your email lists. Next is maintaining your email list, and this is you cleaning up your email list to make sure they're up to date and they only include the leads that are most possible to get your services. So some ways that you can do this is you can manually hire a person to do that, but that is way more expensive and time consuming. There are lots of AI softwares that actually, bounce a ping back and forth to see if the server is still working, and they're usually very accurate and they are very cheap. So you can use one of these email cleaning softwares to get your job done. Now that you have your email list, how do you actually craft an email campaign that works? So first of all, you want to define what you want to do with these email campaigns. So if your goal is to sell an installation, sell tune-ups, sell maintenance plans, advertise your branding, things like that, and you want to make sure you have a clear goal and what you're doing aligns with your clear goal. Next thing that you can do is personalize your emails. I talk about personalization a lot in my videos because it is one of the most important things you can do in a cold outreach style outreach, because most people just send automated messages without any names, without any personalization. And about 5 years ago, you would have to hire somebody to personally research these people and send a personalized message. But now AI platforms are easily able to go online, scrape their social media profiles, find information about them, and send personalized emails. So you were able to do this with a cheap subscription plan. There's lots of websites out there. I'm not going to talk about them, but you can go online and search up personalized email websites, and they'll actually send great personalized emails to the potential customers. Now, the first thing that people see when they see an email is a subject line. And subject line is way more important than the actual email itself, because that determines whether the click rate is 2% or 5% or 10%. So you want to make sure that you're spending more time on the subject line than the actual email. And how do you know if a subject line is working? You have to test, and you have to spend a lot of money up front to find out exactly what works, and then you can double down on it. So there's ways to A/B test, but you can not just A/B test, you can ABCD test. You can test 10 subject lines at a time, and then after a certain period of time, see which one works the best, and then that one you can actually use and double down on and spend all of your marketing budget on. Another point that I keep emphasizing is a clear call to action. Let's say a potential customer sees your email and they like what you have to say. They don't have to be looking for what to do next. If they are spending their time looking for what to do next, then you are very likely to lose the lead. So you want to include a clear call to action of what exactly they should do if they are interested. Next is everything that you do online has to be optimized for mobile. I still get some, newsletters and emails from large companies that are not optimized for mobile. They are very distorted, and you can tell that they're built for desktop computers. You want to make sure that your email marketing campaigns are optimized for mobile, and that's because most people are accessing their emails through their mobile phones these days. And then finally, as I already said, you want to make sure that you're testing it. Here's some things that you can test. You can test the performing metrics like open rates, so how many people, what percentage of people actually opened it, click-through rates, what percentage of people actually read the email for a significant amount of time, and the actual conversion rate that you're getting from these emails. And then finally, ROI, or return on investment, which is the most important. If you are getting more money than you put into these campaigns. Finally, email marketing is a powerful tool for HVAC businesses to connect with their audience, promote their services, and grow their business. So make sure you're utilizing it, and you're utilizing these softwares, these newer softwares that are built for email marketing. There's a lot of them, and they are very good. So you want to make sure that you're utilizing them to stand out from your competitors.